This is one of the most expensive compact drills you can buy. It's not the most powerful, and it isn't the fastest, yet thousands of professional cabinet makers and carpenters swear by it. So what makes the Festool CXS 18 so special? Hi, I'm Logan from M&M Tools & Machinery, and today we're looking at Festool's CXS 18-volt drill. First off, what's going on with the shape? The CXS looks different than almost any other cordless drill on the market, and that's by design. The C-shape they chose has some unique design elements that really set the tool apart. The ergonomics behind this grip place your hand directly behind the drill bit, and that gives you straighter, more direct force with better pressure, so you're not stripping screws and you'll get improved accuracy. It's not that other drills don't work, it's just that this works better, with less wrist strain and easier one-handed operation. One of the things that we hear most often from customers about this is its comfortable, balanced weight, something you really have to feel for yourself. I wouldn't say it feels super light in your hand, but it's not heavy either, coming in at 3.1 pounds, and you can tell they put a lot of thought into the ergonomics of the design. It just feels solid and balanced in your hand. Let's talk about power. The CXS 18 got a voltage upgrade from previous versions, running at 18 volts, and it's now compatible across the full Festool product lineup. With previous versions at 10.8 and 12 volts, the CXS 18 carries a lot more power. The best thing about the 18-volt battery is that it's compatible with every other Festool product. Except for the sanders, they use the larger Ergo battery. So let's look at some other specs. It's got the 18-volt battery, and combined with the EC-Tech brushless motor, it's going to deliver punchy power for long periods of time, giving you more time between charges and a longer lifespan than brushed alternatives. It's got a 2-speed gearbox running at 470 RPM on the low end and 1600 on the high end, adjustable up here at the top. Festool says that the max torque reaches 22 Newton meters in wood or up to 40 in steel, with 13 adjustable torque settings, which are right here on the back of the handle, and torque switch off for precise fastening. It's not the torquiest, but it's got more than enough power to smoothly drive large screws into any hardwood. One of the proprietary features of the design is Festool's FastFix system, which is unlike anything else on the market. When you see the chuck on here, this is the standard chuck, you'll instantly notice that it's different. It's built for quick change, which allows for tool-free conversion from standard to angular drilling, which is this right angle adaptation here. Just pull back from the drill edge and you can easily swap these in and out. For people who rely on angular drilling, there's nothing so easy to switch out, and having all of this in one tool is a huge time saver. So this is the standard chuck that comes with the drill. It holds 1/4-inch bits. You've probably seen these, they're pretty much on every drill. They will take any bit. And then they have their quick release Centrotech, which is this smaller. It's way lighter and it's more compact. It's a lot shorter. It's much smaller, so you can get into tighter places. This is a quick release system for their Centrotech bits to fit into. The chuck design provides 2 points of contact for Centrotech bits, allowing them to extend directly into the drill. You see these are a little bit longer than standard bits. And when you put this in here, it makes contact all the way back to this base here and then back into the motor, significantly improving controllability and torque. It's also half the size and 1/4 of the weight of this standard chuck. One note here is that Festool does use their proprietary Centrotech bit system, meaning standard quick release bits won't work, but they do with the standard chuck. Some people are going to have a problem with this, but it's just another one of those things that drives people deeper and deeper into the Festool ecosystem. They outperform all the competitors on the market, and once you've used them, you'll understand why. Then we have the right angle adapter, which provides compact drilling in tight spaces. It's so useful for cabinets, toe kicks, furniture. When you need a right angle drill, there's really no substitution. This drill can be both a standard drill and a right angle, which I think is one of the most useful features. They also have their eccentric chuck, which is an offset attachment so that you can drill straight in right up next to walls. Great for cabinets and furniture where you're always fighting for space. I think there's 14 different attachment heads for this drill in their FastFix lineup, and I don't have time to cover them all right here, but leave a comment below if you want me to cover those in a separate video. The attachments are definitely the biggest feature of this drill, but there are other features hiding in here that Festool really spent time thinking through. It has an LED light, which, I mean, that's pretty standard for any drill these days, but this one takes things up a notch with programmable, customizable LEDs through the Festool app. You can set this to continuous mode so the light just stays on all the time and acts as a flashlight. You can adjust the brightness up and down, and there's an afterglow setting to keep the LED on for a set period of time after the motor stops. This is one of those things that you didn't know that you needed, but once you have it, you'll love. There's some other hidden features on here. My favorite is this magnetic bit holder in the front. I can't rave enough about this. I'm always setting things down and walking away and then realizing that I need another bit after. I think this is one of my favorite things about this drill, and it just makes it so much easier to stay organized when you're moving around a job site. It comes with this belt clip, which I've never used, but it's a must-have if you're working up on a ladder or moving around using both of your hands. And the battery base is rubber coated. So when you set it down, it's got a pretty soft, and it won't slide across an uneven surface, which it's rubber on the sides and on the bottom. You've got the battery charge indicator here, which is super handy. And there's an Easter egg for left-handed people as well. It has a left-hand mode that reverses the switch to make it more intuitive. It's not something everyone will use, but it's another custom feature in the Festool app. But okay, there's one thing you'll notice immediately when you buy a Festool tool, is that you're not getting just the drill. You're buying into an entire storage and ecosystem. So besides the tool itself, every premium Festool tool comes with a storage case. And these are modular storage cases that can protect your tool. They integrate across the broader Festool ecosystem, and they're stackable. They have this handle on top here, and all of your Festool tools will come shipped in this box. They make your setup so easy to store, easy to carry, custom molded for each tool. So you can see in here, there's all these custom moldings to hold each, and this holds all the accessories as well. So the battery charger, the battery, the drill, it all fits in here and it clips in safely, so it's not gonna roll around or get lost on the job site. They're super durable, impact resistant. They literally store everything from batteries, the charger, all of it. So it's kind of a big box, but I mean, if you're just using this as a regular drill, it's a really large box. But I think over time, once you get into the Festool system, you will end up filling up this box with all the accessories. Festool ships their products in these containers, so the price is built in. So on that note, let's talk about price. This is where a lot of people get hung up on Festool, and yeah, they do cost more than other options on the market for sure. The CXS 18 base price is $199, which includes the drill, the sustainer box, and the standard chuck. And that's without the battery. If you're just adding to your Festool collection, still not a bad price. The other adapters like the quick release Centrotech attachment or the right angle adapter, those all come in at $99 each, and they're sold separately. The advantage here obviously is that since everything's sold separately, you can just get the attachments you need and you don't have to pay for the ones that you don't. But they do also sell this as a starter kit, which includes 2 batteries, the Centrotech quick release chuck, and the right angle attachment, and the battery charger, this belt clip, and this Centrotech starter bit holder. So your regular bits will fit into this bit holder. And the starter kit comes in at $499, which I think is a pretty good deal. You can view these different options all on our website at mmtoolstore.com. There's a link down in the description. For some people, the price makes this seem like a fancy toy for overzealous crafters, but if you're using this every day, comfort matters, precision matters, fatigue matters, and what you're really getting for the price is the quality engineering, the refined ergonomics, and a tool that's going to show up to work with you day after day. If you're a cabinet maker, furniture guy, or a woodworking enthusiast, you're going to love this. And anyone who's just holding a drill for 6 to 8 hours a day every day, this could be a game changer. With that said though, there's definitely heavier drills on the market. If you're working with concrete in heavy construction or automotive mechanics that need a lot of torque, Festool didn't make this drill for you. They designed it for precision woodcrafters, and they put refined attention to detail in there that made something really unlike anything else on the market. So, final verdict? The CXS 18 isn't trying to win a torque contest. It's designed to disappear in your hand so you can focus on your work without fighting your tool. After spending time with it, you begin to understand why so many professionals say it's the drill they reach for first, even when bigger, more powerful options are sitting right beside it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.